mo ti sùn, mo ti jí. Ah, look at this room. The place is dark. The place is dark. This is not. Kì í ṣe bójú mi ṣe rí rè o. But ojú mi ṣì fine náà mi báyìí. Megida na. Megida na. Ina senki shekia. Don't maleju. Everything gonna be alright.
What do you want to ask?
Yes, you should use your number 6. Yes, they should need to send their number and everything, and internet no ni kò béèrè, ni kò sọ fún. All right, darling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is mo ṣe sùn ní àmì mo sùn díẹ̀ ojú mi le lẹ́ẹ̀kan tí mo kọ́kọ́ jí ṣe ló dẹ̀ pé ìdọ̀tí kó tí mo bá sùn dáadáa mo ṣe mọ nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń sọ ni o ó dàbí pé ìdọ̀tí kó sójú mi ni mo dẹ̀ ń ṣojú báyìí mo tún lọ fọṣẹ fọ ojú mi wọ́n rò bá kélé lè mi sùn dáadáa ohun títí mo ṣe wá sùn like oorun yẹn ò pọ̀ bọ̀ tó ó sound ó dẹ̀ quality like 3 hours mo take nap oh my God ojú tó ń ro mí yẹn ó ti lọ. So Megida na we are in Nigeria we need help I can't tell you I cannot be in this country when bata wa away we can't say because everybody is a survivor in that land. Yes, especially when you are not born in that country so now I'm in Nigeria so and I just need help. I don't want to talk much. The help is I need help, a lot of help. I need a lot of help. And those of Yoruba, you my people that you are suffering, you want me to be suffering. May God forgive all of you. Somebody sent a message to me when I was under that video the one that I did last, looking for a way to open my bag. Up to now, we have not opened it. Ọṣẹ mi ni mo tún fi wẹ̀. Bye. I use another soap one, part of the soap kan tí mo kó sínú bag mi kì í ṣe ọṣẹ tí ma fi wẹ̀. So I just use it to again, but me tí scrub ara mi tí wẹ̀ bí mo ṣe wù mí. Ọwọ́ mi náà tí wẹ̀ bó ṣe wù. We are not yet satisfied. So somebody now say under that my shirt, you know what they only go and call the only go and call the shoemakers now. Go and call the shoemaker. Where will I call shoemaker here? We go and call shoemaker to come and fix it for you. To come and open it for you. So I'm not even good for you one day. All right, no problem. All the Hausas people that have company here, I'll be telling them to go and open that in those states. And in Hausa, they should take their company to Kano and you say I should go and look for at this junction. You want to use those people who love me when I was away. You want to change their mind. I know you for that. You are very, very good in changing people towards skinny. To change this in a minute, I know you can do it. No bad, I'm one bag. Magono, Kostiwala. The person said, go and call the shoemaker now to come and open it. Another one say, go. You see, I just look at you. I don't some of you. See my, oh God. But since yesterday now, that stress, I have little stress. Nigeria stress is different from Canada stress. So I'm using my hand. I'm checking my, ori mi fúnra mi mo yo bi pé mo, I was removing it myself. Oh, the ninja. Let me show you. Ma show you lesha. Megida na lo ti ni o. Anybody ma fojú pè mí o. See, let me show you. Mélòó ló ti yọ. Tó ti yọ irun mi tó ti yọ, ó ti fẹ́ lọ ní 30. Tí mo ti fọwọ́ mi yọ. I want to show you. kẹ́ lè mọ̀ pé sí irun mi báyìí mi ṣe báyìí orí mi ń lago báyìí láti ẹ̀ fúnra mi ń fọwọ́ mi yọ you see you can see them èyí tó ti yọ ti fẹ́ lé 30 so stress ti wà mo mọ̀ pé kí lè tún kọ kí lẹ́yìn kọ síbí ó ní àǹtí Bọ́lára something okay please so that bag yẹn kò ṣí o mi ì dẹ̀ fẹ́ bà bag yẹn jẹ́ torí mo ṣì ń consider in fact tí máa fẹ́ fi bag sílẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà mi ní fòun dídà because ó portable òun ló portable lára bag yìí òun àti kejì yẹn àti pink yẹn so mo need the portable bag ń ṣe àwọn bags yẹn is gbogbo ẹrù tó máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀ bí 50 kg nígbà tí àwọn èèyàn go ti gba 50 kg tó yẹ pé 23 kg everybody you have to share it to pieces so we need help o Megida this place with all the money we pay the place is dark ó dark ó tún dark ẹjọ Megida àwọn èèyàn ní pé call the this one let me go and call aboki for you this one even though let me go and call Chumeka that can do this why are you doing this to me now we are human beings they are hardworking people Nigeria we are one now no do this you know, let me tell you something about the criminals. You see those poor boys that I used to call this garage of 18. Do you know if I embrace them in a second, they are just being they are going to, you know, some of them they regret them. I will be much a day by no. One mark palolo ni won le ṣe nǹkan kan, but tí n bá embrace one thing they can be doing little things, but people ètò bá tún dangerous am come around person. So and èmi ò ń ṣe ẹnìkan tó wà very adamant like kini, but ẹni tó bá ti nà ara máa ń ta gan, ẹni tó bá nà ara máa ń ta. I am telling you, I've been through hell, but thank God for the kind of body and the kind of spirit God has given to me. So we need help, okay? But ọmọ burúkú kò sọ ọmọ burúkú nbí. My daughter, she's never a bad girl. I will never be a bad person. So Megida, everybody say call Megida. Everybody say call Aboki. Everybody call this person. Thank you. Only I love you more, my beautiful sister. Thank you. So mo ti ń fọwọ́ mi yọ irun mi báyìí ni Ọlọ́run gbọ́ irun mi báyìí mo kàn ń ṣe báyìí ni and it's just coming off. Irun ẹyọ kan ò yọ ní Canada Ọlọ́run gbọ́, but nígbà tí mo débi báyìí sí bóyá ooru ló tún fà á bóyá ooru àbí so mo wá ń wà kò convenient somehow. So if you can direct me to but let me just call him Megida kó má dà pé bóyá I'm calling him when I get to Nigeria and I could not call him for what? Àbí call him Megida náà Megida náà ẹjọ́ tó bá mọ bó ṣe lè ṣí báàgì yẹn sọ fún mi níbo ni mo wà ń bíbà iṣẹ́ mo máa rí mi Chumeka kọ̀ọ̀kan tó máa bá mi tú báàgì kọ̀ọ̀kan kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún mi ní kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ help mi and also many help ni mo need báyìí okay I need kudi help, I need car help, I need house help, I also need accommodation, you know, I need accommodation because we can't be moving back from you know, they can't be bringing food for me. All this food that Timothy ń rí lórí media láti jẹ́ ìtàn fi yàn wá lójú. I should be able to make food myself also. My daughter should be able, because my daughter cannot wait to cook a lot of egusi. Ó ti promise pé, you know, ẹjọ́ ó dẹ̀ máa resume school. We are resuming. Just we have few days to resume. So before that, we have to settle down and cook food and eat sef. You know Nigeria food, when you are eating them you get slim. I'm not big like the way people used to see. You see to go to transit when you are traveling. Do you know the gym, the exercise you go when you are traveling with economy? The exercise you must in airport alone. It's like spending a month in the gym now. Do you know they used to be stressed? You go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, don't go like this. From one place, you can go to this entrance, they will tell you to go back to this entrance. You walk. I walk, even my leg, no, I walk. We walk, and also, we spend 6 hours, 6.5 hours in stopover. That is Amsterdam. We busy walking up and down. That day I just caution myself. Nobody I like to buy rakura, but you know at times you just see rakura like you cannot. In Amsterdam there's not even too much shop. They make sure their shop is in Asket. It's not in those entrances like Dubai. And country wo ni man ní stopover ń gbà yẹn tí ma ti rí shops, you know, you see clothes you be forced to buy and they are expensive. So but this one in Amsterdam, I don't see even one shop like this that is tó lè tọ́nà sójú ẹ̀ tó máa ṣáná wọlé tí wàá wọbẹ̀, kò sí o. Mi ò rí àwọn sunshade nìkan rí. Mo dẹ̀ ní yàrá ìyá sunshade, mo ní a lot of sunshade nìkan ni mo rí tán kàn. Wọn kò sí advert púpọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo kàn sọ nígbà tá a dé Amsterdam yẹn, a lady approached me and my daughter. Only she said to me that are you looking for nice food to eat? Yes, I said yes. He said okay, because we tried to have a lossy food court. He said I can direct you outside the airport, close to the airport, but you are going to pay like how much? Elola Mason. Speak louder, darling. 250 pounds. Tàbí owó ìlú yẹn mà ni.
Yeah, but that's what she said she paid.
She said she paid 200 or something. Òun nìkan ni àtọmọ kékèké tí ò ti jẹun. Irọ́ ló pa. He said maybe she want to direct me. I told my daughter that this person, he may be an agent looking for customers for the restaurant. The restaurants only might do $50 lọ, àbí €50, àbí pounds. But walking around the airport looking for place, people, how can I go and eat, do something? If I don't know, maybe if I travel with Alhaji Aliko Dangote, okay, they don't tell me the price of the food I'm eating. But me, I cannot deceive you. I'll go and pay €2 Kì í ṣe mọ. I ask again, I say, see that excuse me, are you talking about $2.50 something pounds or 200 or something pounds? I will pay it. I'll go and eat. I will eat it tomorrow, or I will eat for how many hours? I mean that I don't eat much, so I will pay something. You know how much is that money? But some people, if they are so rich, maybe I look rich and I look robust, so I may look like, kí nǹkan tá a bá dẹ̀ sọ ń gbà mí kó máa rò pé bóyá wọ́n ti kówó dé, ṣé ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So how can I go and pay something? I will follow that person and then I've just pay money so to show that I'm rich. 200 or something for me and my daughter. It's a buffet. You can go with 3 people or 4, but ìyẹn nìkan tó ń sọ fún wa. Ṣé a fẹ́ jẹ́ gbàgbé story yẹn ní Amsterdam lánàá? Mi tí jẹ oúnjẹ tó dábàá. So àwọn what I need, òun ni mo ti sọ yẹn. I need help. Megida na ina seki. Mi dẹ̀ tí ìrìkìrí yẹn ṣí mi tí wẹ̀ dáadáa. And ó dẹ̀ kí n wẹ̀ dáadáa nínú hotel yìí kí n tó bọ́ta. Yeah. Before I check out of this place, I need to scrub myself very well. Yeah, ìwẹ̀ tí mo ṣe ń wẹ̀ mi tí wẹ̀ dáadáa. Brush tí mo ti fi fọ ẹnu mi ó rọ̀ bí nǹkan tó ń fi ń fẹnu fún àwọn newborn. I have my brush sí èyí tí àwọn dentist fún mi àti èmi gángan tí mo rà tí máa ń lò. Mo máa ń like yẹn, so kò ní jẹ́ kí nǹkan kan há síyàn lẹ́yìn. Mi tí rí up till now. So please, that's the only hello ma. People are saying you are being deported. That's their own cup of tea. Deported báwo? Somebody that been deported will be looking for ticket by himself to come to Nigeria, abi? Let me show you. You want to rẹ́rìn? Okay, it's yesterday. I saw it since yesterday. Mo rí àwọn olórí burúkú yẹn, they need my attention. I don't want to give them my attention. Those crazy people. Those who tí ò láyà, tí nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe tí wọ́n lè ṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi lè sọ tí wọ́n lè sọ, tán bá ṣe nǹkan tán máa deny. They are bastard now. Àwọn ilé fẹ́ kí n máa dáhùn. Ṣé kí n tún máa fi, as I'm talking to you right now, deported, kò ní dáa fún wọn. If I've been deported from Canada, àwọn wọn máa deport wọn lọ sí sàréè ni. So anybody má ṣẹ̀nu yàmà sí mi. I am not deported. Anybody that's been deported will not buy ticket for himself. Dubai, Canada is not the Dubai that when you are deported, they will be telling you to look for ticket money to go back to your country. You understand me? So ask, a lot of people that are Canadian, they followed me. How can I be deported? My daughter, we're going to resume school next month, early next month. So because I want to come for holiday, you can do online. I mean, the first semester of mommy, the first year is online. First me too, online. Okay? So somebody that been deported, the money I'm spending now is part of my owó tán fi fún mi fún bursary mi àti owó kíní. So ẹni tó bá wà deported wọ́n máa fún ní owó school ni. Wọ́n máa fún lówó school. You mad? Anyway, those people talking, don't listen to them. I saw it since yesterday. Àwọn kan wà olórí burúkú kan tó máa ń wà lórí social media yẹn. I don't want to mingle with idiots. I want to mingle with people I see face to face is better than 100 letter. Those crazy people, wallahi taala, they cannot get my attention. Because my vision before I got to media and before they want to turn themselves to non-entity is more than what is more than their vision. They forget people sitting on the media ranting. I want to see things face to face. Ṣé ti yé yín mẹ́yẹn? Àwọn tó yẹ pé bèrè míì nínú wọn, wọ́n gbé wọn wá sí Canada, Nigeria. Àwọn tẹ̀mí ṣáta mi ò ṣe rí àwọn ọmọ gáràjì yẹn àti bàbá wọn tó jẹ́ bí Wàsíù yẹn. Wàláì kì í ṣe pé bóyá mo fi ṣáta wọn o. Àwọn tó bá ń bẹ̀ wọ́n máa wá, wọ́n máa pe àwọn ni pé kan torí wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa bá wọn pe èèyàn. Wọ́n lè ṣe ìkọ̀kọ̀ fún mi. Ìkọ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ pé mi ò ṣẹ̀ wọ́n tí bá fojú wọn gbolẹ̀ àwọn ló wá jà mí. And nobody, yes. Nobody, they cannot do anything. They know they cause, and most of them, let me be frank with you, they'll be regretting that in their hearts. I don't want to embrace idiot again because they want me to the level where I cannot forget the haunts. To bá jẹ́ bí tí mo sì lè forget pé life ò tí ì sọnù láwọn. I've just forget, I've move on. Èmi, I'm a easy person. Ó ti bá táwọn èèyàn ti ṣèkà fún mi. Pastor ṣe tiẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ ìgboro ṣe tiwọn. Oríṣiríṣi èèyàn ló ti dí pẹ̀lú mi. Family there with me. So I move on. Bí mo ṣe wà ní Nàìjíríà yìí, mi ò tí pè anybody because I just mi ò wá fún nítorí ẹnikẹ́ni. Because mo sọ pé kiri kan wọ́n deported. Orí wọn burú ni. Even when the immigration, custom was telling me yesterday, thank God you are here, you are not going back. I'm going back in Jesus' name. Why? Canada. Who deported? Nobody. God forbid. So, I don't want to be giving information you want to know. Are you getting me? My daughter is in school. I'm in school. So, coming to my country, they deported me. In your mission cannot, and somebody deport you. Canada ló máa ra ticket fún ẹ. Canada ló wọ́n máa di ẹmẹ́rù ni àwọn ló máa sọ plane tó máa gbé ẹ sí. Kò ṣe pé wọ́n máa gbé ẹ síbi kan wọ́n fi ẹ lẹ̀ kó wá lọ sá lọ níbì kan. No. Deport me báwo. I'm not a criminal. Why deport me for what? You see, people who knows me know that I'm not. I can never be deported. The time tí ojú ogun lé, àwa mi fẹ́ boast of things tí ò dá. Ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀. I don't boast of bad things. If not, ma sọ pé if I block you, tí wọ́n bá deport ẹ kúrò níbẹ̀, wọ́n deport ẹ lọ síbòmí. If I block you, I stand on the truth. I'm not. A lot of people hate, like people that are working for agencies. So I don't want you to stress yourself by spending your money on people that you are stressing them. They are stressed. People in abroad, they are stressed. So those people are using that you are not giving them money or you are giving them token. They believe there are people here. Don't waste your energy again. I'm in Nigeria. People say, why are you talking? Telling people that you're in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. Can't you go? I'm in Nigeria for real. Okay? I cannot lie. bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn prime minister àwọn gbogbo àwọn olórí ìlú yẹn tó máa ń gbogbo tí mo ṣe so they are being deported. I'll be mama so let me be frank with you. If I've been deported, I won't lie to you that okay, they say come and be going to the country. You know those times I used to shout that, hey, give me money, oh, if you are torturing me like this, Kukuma deport me. It's because I'm talking. I see that some people are working for some people and they are hating on me because of some people that I'm lifting, that I'm showing love to. Do you understand? And I see them, they are torturing me, and if that torture affected my daughter, I'll be telling you that's what I'll be saying. That why can I be going through so much pain like that? I'm not being deported though. I have my paper. You want me to show you ko? Toluwa lọ́wọ́ mi. Fún mi ní kíní káàdì bí tí mo kó àwọn káàdì mi sí. Jẹ́ resident mi wọ̀nyí. Mi ò tí gba Canada passport, but I'm a permanent resident. And before the time to bá ti gba permanent resident, you can travel before your citizen comes out, and you can travel before you get your passport. Okay? If I'm being deported, because some people believe that she's a refugee now, how can you come to your country direct? My paper is different from yours. All right? Those people who are still under asylum. My daughter said there's no need to show you guys. Can you see? That's my permanent resident card. All right? I'm not deported. Okay? And those one who are happy maybe Bola is deported. Some people don't even believe I can sleep. I can even have 15 naira to buy food for myself. So when I'm hey, if you get me upset, I'll be dragging some people you don't believe I will drag. Wasiu is owing me. The land I bought that time that Wasiu collected, I will drag Wasiu. I'll drag MC Gun. You see, I'm not afraid of them. Okay? I will drag anybody that don't be happy that if I'm here, just leave me, let me rest my head, jeje. I want to come to Nigeria. I want to have my way back. I want to do my business and go to school as I'm going. And I want to be doing my business. And there's no place like home. And we are working for the country to be also okay. Say no to all those things that I endanger myself for the idiot you're more no. So you are not telling me that I should not come to the country. You're no do ekorokoro. Mi máa lọ sí Canada. Máa lọ ra mọ́tò, máa ra kan, máa kó ẹ̀, máa load container. Máa gbé wọlé sí Nigeria. You shall be so, you will see. There's nothing when you stay. I stayed in abroad for 8 years. I didn't go to anywhere. I stayed in Quebec for 7.5 months. And the 7 months, going to 7 years. Only 7.5 months. Almost going to 7 years. I left to Ottawa. And I stayed in abroad for good 8 years, traveling nowhere. And that's my first time after getting to, when I got to Nigeria, travel. After the plane, mo wọ̀ láti Canada and Debbie. Only first traveling me for good 8 years. And let me tell you, when you even seek asylum in country, according to the law, because I try to search something, after 4 years, we are being protected, you can get permission to go to the country. If your country, that country said, don't go yet, maybe you should obey them. But my own is, I'm over 4 years, and I've got my paper. Those people with who are still under refugee, that got their paper, maybe permanent resident through the refugee asylum claimants, you know, their PR used to be long before getting it. They will stay long before their PR out. Okay? Their PR will be so long. All right? So, please don't intimidate me. Like, that's why I was telling that person living in my house. I said the person should leave. But when they really know that I want to come to Nigeria, they don't want me to come. And they said the guy should not leave. I don't want to collect the money. The person is paying how much? Owó tó ń san yẹn kò so owó tí mo ń san ní 15 days nínú ilé mi ní Canada ńbẹ̀ yẹn. Owó oṣù kan ńbẹ̀ yẹn. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn máa fi san owó ọdún 2 àtàbọ̀ ní nínú ilé ńbẹ̀ yẹn. The 1 month, 1 year that person is living in my house. I know that you want to buy gbogbo surroundings ẹ̀jẹ̀ àṣìmá túṣe tàṣìmá ṣe. I will come to that place. N bá ń ṣe màmá sọ fún yín. I've let Canada knows, and the meeting mo sì jẹ́wọ́ létí mi tí ìsanwó gan ní Canada. Me ò kàn fẹ́ anybody máa ṣe fún mi because some people, some politicians also, they are involved. I don't know them. They are torturing me with some people and some pastors also. They believe I'm there. So anytime I'm supporting the government of this place, or especially our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, if I just say they are good like this, then they'll be torturing me there. That they are torture, that Nigeria is very bad. Look at if like the people are enjoying. I see the face. Some people are suffering, but some are enjoying seriously. Look at especially my Yoruba people, the way they are going to party every day. Enjoyment ni. Ẹ jẹ́ torí Ọlọ́run o. Mi ò bá yín ṣe competition kankan, mo kàn fẹ́ live ayé mi ti yàtọ̀ sí. Mi ò ṣe even àwọn tó bá mọ̀ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ náà. Those who know me before self, they will tell you, I'm also homely. I'm not mi ò ń ṣe wayward person. I'm a focused woman. But some people, they always take advantage of people. Like when you just want to show you are quiet, they believe you are quiet really. Everybody, they bad provoke OD we talk. Like those deaf and dumb, they believe you believe they cannot hear, they cannot speak. When you provoke them too much, their voice they can open their mouths. Okay? So I'm not deported though. So if you are laughing, I'm not deported though. Everything in me ló wà nínú ilé. Everything in my house. Let me post picture. Eh? You want to talk to me?
No, I thought you shouted something.
I'm sorry. Oh, you say, well, if I'm shouting, they cannot even hear in another room. Ṣé Canada tó yẹ pé that the room like this gbogbo lé yẹn. Mo bọ̀. Ṣé gbé Tolú? Ògiri mò ń gbà yẹn o. Kọ́ńkéré ni gbogbo bí. Àwọn ilé wọ̀nyẹn ní Canada wọ́n mọ̀ pé plywood àwọn plank ni wọ́n máa fi ń kọ́ àwọn majority so voice máa link mọ́ra wọn kò tó sọ̀rọ̀ mi wọ́n lè gbọ́. My daughter say you are making noise o. Tí mi ò bá kúkú ṣe fídíò báyìí, the people, my next person neighbor, they cannot hear anything. So how can they? Don't say that. God is with you. Everybody should stop wishing people bad. He's deported. Let me tell you, when you are deported, Canada is the one that are going to buy you ticket. They will help you free of charge to go back to your country. I bought my ticket. I go to from Ottawa to. Let me tell you something. If I'm buoyant the way I think, like if I have like $100,000 in my account before coming to Nigeria, you understand? I won't come with many things. I'll come to Nigeria with just hand luggage and go to shop and make some shopping for myself in Nigeria. And when I'm going, I will drop it. I just carry my bag and go like that. That's it. The way I'm carrying 4 bags. You are deported. I bet you with it. I see most of them. They are happy. Hey, even there was a time they said, she's facing trouble there. Oh, she's looking for a way to escape. That what? Olórí burúkú ni wọ́n. Those ones, they say things that's what they wish me, but that's not what God has done to me. That's not the plans, the plan they have for me. That's not the purpose of God. So the purpose of God is one that is manifesting. They don't want me to have my paper. That paper, that permanent card that I'm telling you, they don't want it. All of them, they say they want our àbáyé ń ṣe wọ́n ni àbọ̀ ń ṣe ni. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má carry any rumor you want to carry. Carry it. Okay, don't just inform me anything. I saw it since yesterday. And let me tell you, in this country, for a woman to have Wasiu collected 2 plots of land from me. Mi ò pa irọ́ mọ́. So, and that time tó gba yìí ó ti pẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ tá ṣì ń fà ńlẹ̀ yìí. Ọmọ mi wà ní bóyá 6 years. My baby is now over 20. It's over 14 years, going to be 14 years ago. So, mo máa ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀ gan táwọn èèyàn bá fẹ́ máa show pé wọ́n wicked fún mi. Mo máa ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀ gan. And let's go, but mi kì í tètè gbé ọ̀rọ̀ sókè. I don't act quickly. I don't take action on things on time. I give people long rope. I stomach some bullshit. All right? So, ẹ fi mí lọ́rùn sílẹ̀. So, Megida ina saying key. gbogbo yín sọ pé go and call kiri àwọn Hausa to come and help you ṣé mi ò help yín rí our daddy that all of you now our daddy our daddy the time that ojú ogun lè ń bí gbogbo yín ẹ sá fi daddy wa lẹ́ni kò sẹ́nìbọ̀ tó support wa wá support daddy wa tá bá ti so oúnjẹ tán tọ́bọ̀ ọbẹ̀ bá ti jiná ta dẹ́tẹ̀ máa ń fẹ́ kọwọ́ sí ni mo máa ń rí tọ́wọ́ bá ti jiná àwọn dẹ́tẹ̀ tọ́wọ́ wọn ti gé wọ́n máa fẹ́ kọwọ́ sọ́bẹ̀ tí a ti sè ẹ má kọwọ́ sí o kẹ má bàa légbò mọ́ ìgbò yín ẹ má kọwọ́ sí o. Money, please don't disclose your personal information. There's something they can do. Let me tell you something. If the government and some important personality, if I've not committed any offense, you think if I commit offense in Canada, like really, do you think I'm going to be talking like this? No. The only thing tí mi ò ṣe náà ni pé wọ́n rí gbogbo bọ́n ṣe fẹ́ set me up so that wọ́n lè sọ pé nǹkan tó ń sọ ṣẹlẹ̀. Wọ́n rí ṣe Ọlọ́run ò dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kémi ṣìṣe. Ẹ fún wọn ò ní fún mi èdè òní tì mí. Ṣé ti eyín mẹ́yẹn kò sí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n lè ṣe. Anybody tó bá ń rí nǹkan kan tó bá sọ pé òun fẹ́ ṣe átúntẹ́ni tó bá gbọ́ pé wọ́n máa kàbùkù. Àwọn èèyàn lè má bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí lè má sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí but àwọn èèyàn máa kan àwọn èèyàn lábùkù gan. Torí pé Ọlọ́run náà á dẹ̀ tún kan èèyàn lábùkù gan torí mi. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò fẹ́ kábùkù kún tún kan anybody ń sìn. Ẹ ti gbọ́ ẹni bá ti jẹ mí lọ́wọ́ àbí tó bá ṣèṣì pẹ̀lú mi tí bá ṣe dáadáa fún ẹ tó fẹ́ máa ṣe bí olóṣì wọ́n deport ẹ̀ ta ní wọ́n fẹ́ deport kò ní dáa fún yín ni ẹni tó bá sọ pé wọ́n deport mi yẹn ni mo sọ pé kò ní dáa fún un. Èmi my grace upon me can disgrace any bullshit anybody and it can also support anybody kò sí bó ṣe tóbi tó. So do you know what? Grace mi yàtọ̀ sí tẹlòmí o ó ti gbọ́ ilé tó dájú bí tí mo ní tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ló mi gan láti gbé ẹ ti understand bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn but ibẹ̀ yẹn náà ọ̀gá mi ìyá tíṣà ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so I want to do my life I want to start my life going to my school my daughter doing her things I don't want to have too much èrò púpọ̀ àwọn ní èèyàn láṣọ èèyàn àwọn èèyàn wo mi ìfẹ́ wọṣọ ẹ̀gún ó ti yé yín mi ò fẹ́ wọ aṣọ ẹ̀gún mi ìfẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn dé mi ládé ẹ̀gún mi ṣe Jésù mi ìfẹ́ wọṣọ ẹ̀gún mi ìfẹ́ wọṣọ tó níná lára aṣọ tó ní àwọn board bag kó máa já ẹ̀jẹ̀ aṣọ èèyàn dẹ̀ láṣẹ èèyàn wàá ṣe báyìí láì sínwín láì yí lórí kó máa jára jẹ nítorí pé wọ́n faṣọ ẹ̀gún àtàṣọ tó níná lára wọ̀ ẹ́ torí pé àṣẹ èèyàn láṣẹ èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé aṣọ tó jẹ́ original tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ physically wọ́n á gbà á èyí tó bá jẹ́ èyí tó dáa physical spiritually wọ́n á gbà á tó bá léèyàn láṣọ ẹ wọ́n wá fún ẹ ní èyí tí ò dáa tó wọ́n máa jára jẹ Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ àwọ̀ ọ̀ṣọ́ tá wọ́n máa jára jẹ o ẹ torí Ọlọ́run wọn ò ní deport yín lọ sí sàárè o Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ arógun deportation ẹ̀yin tó dẹ̀ ti fẹ́ deport lẹ́ni country tẹ́ bá wà lágbára Ọlọ́run tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ try gbogbo everything tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí ṣe ibi tí wọ́n bá dá yín padà sí o ìbáàjẹ́ ìlú yín ìbáàjẹ́ Nàìjíríà because majority of them tó máa ń deport Africa but àwọn ìlú mi náà sí wọ́n there was a lady láti America mo wo documentary ẹ̀ lánàá they are trying to one plan deportation from America to Canada so and she's a white person so I'm praying for you anybody if you're under deportation list Almighty God will consider you and if they refuse to consider then anywhere you go God will make the place fruitful for you you will multiply in wherever you go so but me I am a woman of the truth true sayer a woman of dignity decency my word is my word okay I'm not deported but we have challenges and I know that okay if challenges is like this let me go to my country and be moving and me really ògo mi ò kì í ṣògo tó máa ń jókòó sójú kan my spirit I have to be doing ẹni tó bá ń ṣòwò ó gbọ́dọ̀ jókòó sójú kan or else wà redundant ẹlòmíì tó bá jókòó síbẹ̀ tó kàn wọlé tó ń jáde ibi tó ti ń ṣe tó ń wọlé tó kàn ń jáde lọ sínú ilé gbogbo nǹkan máa good fún ẹlòmíì ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa rìn ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa jáde ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa lọ kó máa bọ̀ ṣé ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so eléyìí tí mò ń sọ yìí kò necessary because èèyàn ò kì í fọ̀rọ̀ sílẹ̀ kó sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan wà tá máa kọ́kọ́ sọ tí event máa fi take over the situation. Ìyẹn mi pé àwọn action kan wà tá gbọ́dọ̀ tá máa kọ́kọ́ gbé tí event máa fi take over the situation. So people telling me, wait, so that when you get your passport now, Canada passport, it will be better. You'll be boasting. I'm also boast with the Nigeria passport. If I have Canada passport today also, it's a grace. And also I will carry the two of them. I'm in Nigeria. Ìta bá ṣe pé nǹkan ò ní dáa mọ́ rárá, ó máa padà dáa. Tó bá wá padà dáa, táwọn èèyàn wá, wọ́n ní ṣé rere kan lè ti Nazareth jáde. Passport wa yẹn, ó lè padà jẹ́ nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn máa padà máa wá. Àwọn òyìnbó kan máa sọ pé let me go and reside. Apart from pé Nigeria jẹ́ ìlú tó ní mosquito àti pé kò settle sí gbogbo ariwo tó ń pariwo lókè yẹn. A lot of people will love to even kúrò ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Mo rí àwọn tó kúrò ní America tó ń sọ pé wàhálà pọ̀ ju tax wà kíní kan tó ń kúrò níbẹ̀ yẹn náà tó máa lọ settle sí Africa, especially gbogbo àwọn Southern Africa wọ̀nyẹn. Ṣé ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? So West Africa too can get to the level, we are blessed, all right? So ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ ju ṣé mo fẹ́ máa purọ́ ni they've deported her. Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń deport èèyàn? Ṣé ẹni tó ń deport máa ra ticket fúnra rẹ̀ ni? Ṣé ẹni tó ń deport ló máa ṣa ẹrù tó fẹ́ mú jáde ńlé tí mo ti kọ́kọ́rọ́ Tolú where is the key? Wá bá mú key. Mo ti mọ́tò mo ti lékun lẹ̀kùn yàrá mi mo kó gbogbo kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò mi mo kó dání wá sí Nàìjíríà so wọ́n dẹ̀ deport ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ wà ń gáràjì wọ́n ṣì èrè ní mẹ́ wọ́n deport mi o. Kọ́kọ́rọ́ lé mi lélẹ̀ kọ́kọ́rọ́ lé mi see my key to my house and see the car key. I love everything in the garage and so ẹni tó bá tí wá deport bó ṣe máa àbí ẹni tó bá deport máa lọ sí school ẹni tó bá deport àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. So stop disturbing yourself, okay? Stop disturbing yourself. Tí n bá marry sí tí mo change orúkọ mi I can go with my husband. I mean when I'm going now and one thing ni pé I have a lot of story and the reason why it's in my hair tí n bá marry nísìn I mean máa ṣe change of name so ti yẹn mẹ́yẹn máa ṣe change of name kí n tó gba passport mi gan máa ṣe change of name but mi nílẹ̀ láti máa sọ gbogbo ẹjọ́ kan fún yín wọ́n ṣe máa deport me for what? We are not a criminal. Ọmọdé yìí ọmọ tó make name ọmọ tó make mo make tí n bá kúrò ní Canada life tí mò ń gbé ní Canada tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ mi kò ní gbé mọ́ like I stress too much and as a permanent resident tó bá jẹ́ citizen gan tó bá jáde under 6 months you must go back. You must visit Canada twice in a year. As a citizen of Canada, as a permanent resident of Canada, you must visit Canada twice in a year. So tó bá rí mi ní ìgboro tí n bá lò 4 months. Ẹ ṣáà rí gẹ́ẹ̀ yìí nígbà tó wá sí Nàìjíríà ń gbà yẹn. Gẹ́ẹ̀ náà tó wà lórí Facebook although life tẹ̀ yàtọ̀ sí tèmi. Ẹ ṣáà rí nígbà tó wà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ ṣáà rí ó lo more than going to a year ló lò ní Nàìjíríà kó tó padà. So Nigeria, when you are living abroad, okay? People àwọn tí ò mọ bí ayé ṣe rí gogo wọ́n máa sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ deported abóni wọn burú ni kọ́kọ́rọ́ lé mi lélẹ̀ àti kọ́kọ́rọ́ mọ́tò extra key yẹn kan tún wà níbí káàdì mi tí ọmọ mi where is your permanent resident card? Is your purse? ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Ọlọ́run ṣé kò dà bí mo ṣe kọ́kọ́ gbé passport Nàìjíríà dání tí mo kọ́kọ́ wá fi visit ilé for the first time and both tí ma gba passport Canada put the two together I'm working with it they don't deport me o ṣé tó bá deport me mama say pé I got to the airport and today they send us back home because there's no transit visa ṣé mi ni mama ṣe gbọ́ yẹn wọ́n ní jẹ́ o mọ gbogbo routine tó fẹ́ gbà fún ẹ wọ́n ti gba gbogbo ìwé ẹ pátá wọ́n kó sọ́wọ́ àwọn immigration àwọn air hostess ló máa gbé ìwé ẹ̀ dání. The air hostess will submit your when they get to Nigeria wọ́n ti ní agent tó máa lọ kó ìwé ẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tán gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n á kó fún migration of Nigeria. I was in the front of migration. I gave them my passport and they check everything. So he said, you know, deport. Go and ask the procedure of people they deported. People they deported, they are not going to give them their documents. Their documents is not going to stay with them. They will give it to the authority in the plane. The plane will submit it also to the immigration of the country to bank below. So let them shut up. Tell them that they should shut up their mouth. Ìyá Megida dá ló sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ fẹ́ change my mafia Hausa. Ta ló fẹ́ sọ fún yín? Irọ́ lẹ pa. Hausa lọkọ bèbí. Only for security purpose. Oh, for security purpose. Mo tún ti pè Nigeria police. Wọ́n lè má ṣe bí ẹni dá mi lóhùn báyìí, but they are watching. Not only United Nations watching. The Nigeria also security and the Nigeria power authority is watching. My daddy too is watching. Megida is watching. Police, ṣàlàjì ni wọ́n. IGP ẹgbẹ́ tó kù is watching. Customer controller is watching. Soldier is watching. Kí lórúkọ àwọn in-laws mi tó jẹ́ soldier. They are watching. No play. Àtijọ́ látàárọ̀ oúnjẹ yẹn kò dùn púpọ̀ lẹ́nu mi. Àmọ́ bóyá wọ́n ní suya ṣá, wọ́n lè ní 40, wọ́n tún lè ní 100,000 ní suya wọn báyìí. Oúnjẹ tá a jẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn going to 40, that's small rice. Àpò rice gan. Èmi tí mo mọ gbogbo kọ́dà tí wọ́n ti ń ta àwọn ẹja tó nice. Ẹja tútù. Area bí wọ́n ti ní tí ọbẹ̀ tí ibi tó ti lè rí ọbẹ̀. Àwọn nǹkan tó iṣẹ́ ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Èmi tí máa lọ sọ́jà fúnra mi. Èmi kẹ̀. Oh, you don't know anything. Tí bá lọ báyìí bá wa gbé just má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Ìyá Megida na. Yes o. If I still don't want anybody moju go want to ask you don't want me to drag you. You don't want me to drag you. Okay? It just wá kàn sọ pé Auto-Bola torí one lady ti pè mí lẹ́nu àti one guy kan báyìí tó ń ṣe chat. So wọ́n pè mí wọ́n kàn send message mo dẹ̀ down. So kàn sọ pé send your account number. Okay? Send your account number. I will just send it. Nìjà bá parí níbẹ̀ yẹn mi ní sọ̀rọ̀ sí mọ́. But even Shola himself, if Shola don't call me and tell me to send my account number, èmi ni máa gbé sọ́wọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Bí mo ṣe sọ ló máa rí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ, àfi kó rárá pè mí kí àwọn pè mí pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà, ẹ send account number yín. My son, I'm not going to call any of them. Àwọn tí máa pè kó bá mi pè wọ́n lásán yẹn. My name is Bola Afolashade. Tẹ́ bá ti mẹ́ntí mo forúkọ jọ. Ó ti yé yín. My name is Bola Afolashade. And Toluwa ni mí, Olúwa ṣe yìí fún mi, Olúwa rẹ̀ mí lẹ́kún is my daughter. All right? So, all of you that always find me because of those names, all right? Open your eyes, yo. All right? You always send some people in the system of that place anytime to be torturing me. We are here. You torture me, you are tortured from heaven. You torture me, you be tortured from authority. From all power and authority. Okay? So, Megida na, ina staying key. I'm in Nigeria now. So, please, we need a lot of help, okay? Yeah, bó ṣe jẹ́. Àbí torí èmi náà tó bá yá sí èmi náà fẹ́ dé àwọn fìlà sórí gbogbo fìlà yẹn gan ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa ra fìlà o a fẹ́ máa ta fìlà o irú àwọn fìlà tó máa fi ń ṣèyàwó tó máa dé tó máa pọ̀ yẹn àtàwọn aṣọ yẹn náà àtọ́ umbrella wọn yẹn èmi iye tí máa ń rà kò wọ́n mo máa ń rà ní $4 at times $10 mo dẹ̀ tí máa tà rà ní $10 máa tà ní $20 tí máa rà ní $7 máa tà ní $14 irú àwọn fìlà tí àwọn èèyàn máa fi ń ṣe ìyàwó yẹn tẹ́ bá rí mi tí bá pòsẹ̀ mọ́tò náà call me o but pijot ọkọ̀ ní pijó àwé pijot ọkọ̀ ní pijó àwé ó ti yé yín ọkọ̀ òun ní pijó ẹ̀yọ ọkọ̀ ní pijó àwé pijot. So as I used to say Now, Megida too there's no period in Canada, there's no period in America. So, and all these people, they are still looking for investors. So they can also open period in America, period also in Canada, right? Ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ ní òní. A ṣì wà ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì wa o. 500,000 don't be your mate, yo. Ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́. It is well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those of you who have given me that information. Thank you for two. But Amebo is your hobby. No be only you sabi do Amebo. I've seen them. I didn't answer them. Then those ones came. Those ones came. All of them, even their mama wey dey that place, wey dey that only Facebook. In time you want to come to Nigeria, they have to secure every gate for him to get inside this place. They have to pay for their hotel. They no born their mama wey to pay for hotel. Me, Bola Folashade, even before people start paying for me. And it's not that I will run dry, but before people start, I pay for myself to tell you I'm a woman of myself, a standard woman. I stand gidigba. Anybody to worry me, no, this lady fine now. They see, I'm fine, no exotic. I get body, I get mind of God, and I get, wait till I get to. I get fear of God. I get, everything fine. Okay? Yeah, bó ṣe jẹ́. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn o. So, I need help. Help kì í ṣe pé ti kíní yẹn. Lánàá yẹn lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ wọ́n ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ game tó máa ń ṣe nígbà tí máa ń kọ́kọ́ wà yẹn. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ no do that one now. You cannot. Nobody must do that for me. What happened? Àti ìrọ̀ṣẹ̀ wẹ̀ gbogbo ojú ẹ̀ bó ṣe rí. Gbogbo ojú mi gan. Ọdún olójú mi ló ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Bó ṣe ẹ̀sùn díẹ̀ ni. Ojú mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣe lójú ń gún mi mọ́ apẹ́. What is this? Ohun tí mo ráyè sùn díẹ̀ ni o. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí òun ọ̀ deport Ọlọ́run òun ní gbogbo àdúrà fáwọn tó ń fẹ́ deport yẹn èmi kẹ gbogbo wọn yẹn tẹ́ bá ti rí àwọn èèyàn tó bá ṣe pé wọ́n deport yẹn even àwọn tí nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ṣe máa ń gbọ́ kí n máa bá wọn sọ ni tí n bá jẹ́ pé they are full of demons, they are wicked. Even though nígbà tí wọ́n sọ pé ìyá wọn yẹn sick ńgbà yẹn tán náà lọ ṣe operation fún ó yẹ ká máa ṣépè fún náà. Did you see me talking about it? Ó ní àwọn kan tí mi ò fẹ́ bá mingle. I don't want to mingle with them. Do you see anybody by my side? I don't want to mingle with people tí ò lè value ayé ẹ̀ for tó máa make ayé ẹ̀ valueless. Àwọn tó máa tún value ẹ̀ kékeré tó máa pretend pé láti value ayé ẹ̀ for and they will be devalue you systematically. So I also want to excuse them. So ní ìkúkú sọ fún yín pé mo ní nǹkan kan mo jẹ́ nǹkan kan but gbogbo ń tọ́ta pinnu. It's me?
Not me.
Okay.
So this one.
Okay, hold on there. Let me go out of Megida na. Yaya Jiki, Yaya Kazua, Yaya Gida, Yaya everybody. I think everything is okay. So that is it. So me tí ní phone number Nigeria gan. I don't know how to get the phone number. A máa pe àwọn reception yẹn bóyá wọ́n àmì receptionist bóyá wọ́n lè bá wa get Nigerian phone. We need Nigerian phone with immediate effect. You understand? So a lè fi gbogbo phone yẹn kó lórí omi a fi kan sílẹ̀ lórí omi a dẹ̀ lo number a lè lo number tèmi a lè lo phone tèmi àbí títí a lè ṣá máa lò kan ṣá. Ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ o. So those of you who are happy to see me, God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm here in Nigeria. Yeah. Wọ́n ní ilé bàbá ọmọ òkè bàbá wọn lẹ́rù wọlé kanlẹ̀. I don't want to be in any country tó máa rò pé mi ò ṣe body. Ó ti yé. Àlè ọjọ́ story ṣì máa wáyé bọ̀ kò ń ṣe ń sìn. Kí ló dé? Ṣé rí mi látànà kí wọ́n máa sọ pé yes because I'm too hot for some country. No. I bought my ticket myself o. alright èmi ni mo ṣe olówó orí ticket mi mo dẹ̀ lọ sí airport lẹ́ẹ̀mejì ẹ̀yin pé kẹ́ni kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ̀lé mi migration ló máa ń tẹ̀lé àwọn tó bá deport náà eric anybody tẹ̀lé mi àbí ẹ lọ bẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ migration tẹ bá wà connected dáadáa pé kí ló ṣé ń gbà tó dé lánàá ṣé ẹnìkan ló gbé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mo wà lórí láì tí mo fi ń ṣàlàyé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ má sọ̀sọ̀kùsọ̀ sí mi torí tẹ́yìn wá wish mi ló máa jẹ́ tiẹ̀ if you really wish me good goodness will be your portion I don't despite all these things that they are still doing to me I don't wish everybody bad but I just want to put stop to some bullshit nonsense if you know you are a bad person don't play around me I don't play around people I don't play on people's intelligence I'm not a bad girl I'm a good person but vulnerability me you don't play you don't joke with it so so Megida na. So we are here. Thank you. Love you. Let me just do things. I want to go and bath again. Mi tí lo ọṣẹ tí mo fi ń wẹ̀. Mi ò mọ nǹkan tí ma fi já kíní yẹn. Eh? Okay, to help us to open it. Okay, yes, call them. Thank you. God bless you. Only you have Megida to fine. God bless you. All of you that me ìwọ chat me ìwọ comment látẹ̀kọ̀ you know they always be able by your time again there is not she's talking to them. God bless you. Ó ti bá mi sọ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ó ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ má ṣe ọyàn lẹ o Tolú àmì mo ní Tolú Bọ́lá oúnjẹ tó wù mí jẹ ń sìn ráìsì oúnjẹ lánàá ṣó dùn kò dùn ayé òkò ṣe trust ni bá sọ pé ẹ bá mi ṣe ẹ̀fọ́ kẹgbẹ́ wá fún mi bìkan mo ti láìfù ẹ you just trust people àwọn tó trust báyìí mi trust èèyàn mọ́ o so ẹ má bínú o experience mi ó worst gan so kọ́lọ́run má jẹ́ ká rírú ẹ̀ mọ́ kọ́lọ́run jọ kó bá wa dá ìbínú ẹ̀ dúró lórí orílẹ̀-èdè wa àti lórí ilé wa ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kì í ṣe ìbínú ọlọ́run lórí mi o ọlọ́run kọ́ mi ní ẹ̀kọ́ pé tó bá finú wénú wàá jẹ ìwọ tó bá finú wénú wàá jẹ ìwọ ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ ká jẹ ìwọ orí wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dé ẹ ṣé o. Oh ẹnìkan ní I'm being scared when I heard that you are being deported. Bí n ṣe wà yìí mo lè kó èèyàn tí bá ní ọkọ tó ní ọmọ mo lè kó èèyàn lọ sí Canada don't mind them o don't mind them alright deport báwo never but that's why I called a lot of important people who love me too in Canada they want me to be safe it's like difficult like that to release them that is this girl going to be safe but one thing I know is that bad people also when they notice that a lot of attention is on them they do change they drop whatever they are doing yeah so it's a privilege from God and mostly people don't give respect to God like that they are afraid of what they see and they know that people are looking also watching them all right so thank you so much love you guys I love my anywhere tí bá gbé man love I love peace but anybody tí ó bá ti fún yon peace tí ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ fún peace wá fún pieces wá sọ fọ́lọ́run kó bá pieces ayé wọn dànù ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ so I don't hate so for them hating me for wishing me bad they've been doing it for long they said it when I was ìgbà tí mi ti bímọ wọ́n ní mi ní lè bímọ Ọlọ́run fún mi lọ́mọ Ọlọ́run nìyẹn á tún bá mi wo ọmọ náà dàgbà á jẹ́ kó ṣe dáadáa lójú mi wọ́n á tún rí ẹlòmíì nínú wọn tó wish me bad nígbà yẹn lọ́hùn tó ń lọ káàkiri mi wà láyé mi ti kú mi wà bí aláìsí so I don't wish people bad but whatever they wish me it's going to be their lot a máa jẹ́ pọ́ṣọ̀ wọn má porí mi níbi Ọlọ́run gbọ́ gbogbo tí mo sọ lórí bíbá yìí ọwọ́kọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa sẹ́ẹ̀lì lánàá yẹn ló jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ mo lè wọlé kí n kàn ṣe live mi kí n dẹ̀ máa kí n kàn wave everything I can wave everything but kéèyàn ṣe ìkà fún mi kí máa sọ tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ tòótọ́ ní ká máa sọ pé rọ́ ni àti débi tó lóògùn ti gbé ń sá òun kọ́ ni mo sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mi ń sìn yeah this is I'm afraid I'm ashamed of it I just want to teach everybody lesson bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ tó bá lo craze you are not more than your craziness cannot be more than the whole world and more than the whole country of Nigeria do you think that time yẹn kó jẹ́ pé mo ti lẹ́nu àbí mo ti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí media mo ti tú àṣẹ èmi ò ń ṣe just blogger I'm not just blogger because I feel like talking I want to rant then I will start talking no they do things that are not good to me and I start exposing people what they have done to my life you understand me and that's why a lot of people raise eyebrow check it up do you see anybody support me among them on the media they are not my friend even on my distance I'd love to move alone with my God my head up I can never be intimidated if I have things that I can render to you if my power if I have the capacity I'll do it still do it but you know what I won't trust people who have let me down more than 20 times again but I'm not fighting people but when you prove me wrong I'll prove it right to you if I'm right and if I know what I'm saying okay so if you make peace is jeje you want surutu akoyi plenty akoyi surutu oh God bless them for me thank you my sweetheart kan ti ẹ ṣìkà rọ́ṣẹ́ wa wẹ̀ kárí kírìmù para wa sweetheart Megida na ó yá jẹ́ nkọrin fún Megida na ìkẹ́ àtọ́lẹ̀ bá mi gbèrin ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo ti dé o ó ti yé ìkẹ́ àtọ́lá o kó má bá ọkọ mi àti kúrò lórí ẹ̀ o ìkẹ́ àtọ́lá kó má bá ọkọ mi aṣíwájú oníṣòwò bàbá Fatima bàbá Alimat bàbá Fatima bàbá Mariam bàbá Fatima ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún aṣíwájú oníṣòwò we are one Nigeria is a wonderful country love gbogbo wọn ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn Hausa àti Igbo àti Yorùbá ní airport wọ́n ń ṣeré together àwọn òsínwí wọ́n máa pariwo Hausa o they are fighting o Hausa o they hate Yorùbá o hate Hausa o all of them in the office they are eating together and some people be ranting abeg o nínú ayé mi ò sínú ranting okay bá mi tún gbàdúrà ẹ tẹ́wọ́ àdúrà yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá lọ́kọ ọkọ yín ò ní sọ yín nù lágbára Kristi orí yín ò ní gbàbọ̀dè gbogbo ìsọkúsọ tí èèyàn bá ń sọ lórí ayé wa àti lórí orílẹ̀-èdè wa lórí àwọn ọmọ wa má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ Baba Fatima let me say you something I don't want to say this openly you see a lot of people also fight me because of Baba Fatima do you know who is Baba Fatima do you know who is Baba Mariam do you know who is Baba Alima do you know is aṣíwájú oníṣòwò of Africa that's Alhaji Aliko Dangote a lot of people also fight they really fight I don't want to talk much those refinery go whatever sing be okay yẹn a lot of people are so mad ajaja àwọn tí wọ́n máa ní wọ́n ṣe immortal God invisible God immortal God how great thou art immortal God ìjà tó yẹ kó fi bá níwọ̀n ẹ̀ náà lè bá Alhaji Dangote èmi wọ́n máa dojú ìjà kan ìgbà tí aláyẹ president my daddy ebu daddy tí wọ́n lè bá wọn fa wèrè èmi náà máa fẹ́ dojú ìjà kan ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o kí mo sọ fún yín ẹ fi mí lọ́rùn sílẹ̀ ẹ ti understand bẹ́yẹn ṣé ti yé yín so ẹ̀yin ọmọ green hooligans bẹ́yẹn ẹ má bínú pé mo pè yín hooligans ìwà yín jọ hooligans Wàsíù Àyìndé mo ti ojú tó wá ti wọ̀yọ̀ rí ọkọ mi ò à ń ṣe ṣìnà bọ̀ tí ṣe right báyìí torí ẹ̀yin mo lè dáàgì dáadáa ẹ mọ̀ pé tí wàá rójú fẹsọ̀ fẹ́ mọ̀ pẹ́ láwọn ọmọ wèrè lọ́wọ́ tó pọ̀ mọ̀ wèrè àwọn ọmọ wèrè yẹn wọn àwọn kò ní fẹ́ tẹ́rí sí ó ti ẹ̀yin wọn ò ní fẹ́ tẹ́rí sí ẹ ò ní fẹ́ tẹ́rí sí so ẹ ṣe right ẹ kò sọ fún wọn pé báwo ni Auto-Bola bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn ó ti dé pẹ̀lẹ́ ìyá mi send account number ẹ má béèrè pé kán béèrè ibi tí mo wà send account number okay èló ni hotel èló ni bill kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kọ́kọ́ sẹ́tù yẹn kọ́kọ́ mi tó gbérí sí ṣó ti yẹ yín mẹ́rin báwo ni gbogbo nǹkan kí ló need nǹkan tó ọmọ ògbóró máa ń ṣe nìyẹn kì í ṣe pé ọmọ ògbóró máa disgrace ara ẹ̀ ó máa forí kàn bí àgbò kiri kò ń ṣe pé ọmọ ògbóró ó máa wá sọ ẹ̀ di òbúkọ bí ọkọ mi ṣe wà yẹn ṣe ọmọ ògbóró ni but ògbóró for business kò ń ṣe pé kẹ́ ẹ bá yé obìnrin jẹ́ ni wọ́n fi ń sọ ìgboro kì í ṣe kékeré rẹ́nìkan kẹ́ni a máa bá yé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni tó bá tún ṣe àti ìgbà a máa bá yé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀pín ẹni tó bá ti bí mọ́lẹ̀ gbúdọ̀ dóró ṣé ti eyín tẹ́ bá jẹ́ ọmọ ògbóró for business wà bid wọ́n tó connect ṣé wọ́n ní lady yẹn wọ́n dì pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mẹ́ yẹn o èjì àpọ̀wọ́pọ̀ kà ṣe báyìí fún ní ìdìpọ̀ tẹ́ bá wá ṣe dáadáa tí èmi bá padà wá ń sọ wọ́n ní ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan táwọn pípù yìí ṣe náà wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀ nítòótọ́ but nǹkan tó ń ṣe yóò yẹ kó ti dáríjì wọn but tẹ́ bá tún ṣe pé kẹsí nǹkan nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ o mẹ́wàá ń bẹ̀lẹ̀ ń dúníyàn ó ti yé yín ẹni tí ò bá ti lè pààyàn kó dó tí ó lòun ló ń pa má sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ pé kò sí nǹkan kan alright ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ ọmọ ògbóró torí ẹ̀ bá pé kì í ṣe pé ó máa ṣe káàkiri tí ò ní tìjú ẹgbẹ́ àbọ̀ ìdáhùn kò ṣe pé kàn máa fẹ́ ṣe competition pẹ̀lú ẹni tí ò ṣe competition pẹ̀lú ayé alright àwọn onílẹ̀ máa pera yín báyìí pé ẹjọ́ kí ni ká Auto-Bola máa wà ń gbèrò ẹjọ́ ẹ bá wa nọ́mbà ẹjọ́ kí ni ká ẹ jẹjẹ akọrin báwo ni ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ má bínú ẹ má gbogbo nǹkan tá a ṣe mo sorry ẹ má bínú ẹ má bínú ẹ má bínú òbí máa ń yọ ọ̀rọ̀ tútù àmọ́ ayọ̀ bìlà àkọ́kọ́ láti pé ìrẹ́lẹ́ka èmi tí mo má jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ èmi tí mo dìídì nìkan bá mi ẹja rọra fi sílẹ̀ gbẹ̀yìn ó ti yé bẹ́yìn kò sí nǹkan tó fi ń ṣèyàn ẹnìkan ní o ti ya wèrè ṣe ti gbọ́ you people like you I don't want you on my platform ó ní kinní kan lórúkọ ẹ̀ ń sìn ó fẹ́ kí n dárúkọ òun ní orí platform bó ṣe wish mi ní wèrè gbogbo ìran ẹ̀ máa ya wèrè kú ni ohun tó bá jáde lára ẹ̀ wèrè ni wọ́n máa yà ìwọ náà máa ya wèrè ni tẹ bá dẹ̀ ti ya wèrè ọmọ yín máa sáwọ ọjà wọn ò ní rí òkú ẹ̀ wọn ò ní ráàyè ẹ̀ òṣìjẹ́ nìyẹn mi ì fi wèrè lọ ẹ̀ sìn oní ìyá ẹ̀ ti ya wèrè. ẹnìkan ní don't be scared God bless you èèyàn nìyẹn ẹnìkan ní don't be scared báwo àmọ́ mo ti bèrò ni àtìgbà tí mo ti dé airport báyìí làwọn kan wọ́n ti wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mọ́tò oríṣiríṣi láàrí bọ̀ mo ń sọ fún ẹ kó gbé nǹkan gan nǹkan tẹ́ tún lè gbé lójú títì tó lè yà mí lẹ́nu bí pé kí aeroplane gan àbí private jet kó máa rìn lójú títì tí wọ́n tó ti rìn ó ti yé I cannot be intimidated because I know my word the word of my mouth is very quality and if my word is quality I am quality as well and again some people they use a lot of quality things but their life is not quality they are very useless so I'm not one of those ones. All right, I'm not saying I'm holier than thou or better than some people, but for real, we are better than each other. And people buy quality, not quantity. All right, the word of my mouth has to do with life, save life. Okay, and it haunts enemies. And if you have been my enemy and that word that haunts you, it's not me at times. It's God that just used me for some things and for good of you as well. So torí ẹni tó bá ṣe èrè náà go tó bá kọ́kọ́ fún lábẹ́rẹ́ ó máa gba ẹni tó ń fún lábẹ́rẹ́ ni máa gbà létí ọ̀nà tó bá sàn ló máa tó mọ̀ pé ogun dẹ ní o ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́. So do you are coming on my platform now? Don't abuse me. I'm not abusing anybody. If you're a blogger, you're a bloody idiot that you have no respect and manner to anybody. Don't come on my platform. I don't want to mingle with some people. Kì í ṣe owó nìkan náà fi ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò mingle nígbà tí ojú pọ́n mi. Mi torí ẹ̀ ńgbà tí ara ni mi gan tó rárá ni àwọn ọ̀tá mi gan mi tó torí ẹ̀ bow for bullshit. So why should I do it now? In abroad o lè réyàn gbà ẹ́ sílẹ̀. Ní Nàìjíríà ń bí báyìí tí n bá trust èèyàn náà mo níbi tí mo lè dé sí tí n bá ti fẹ́ dé sílẹ̀ mi. Ṣé ti yé? But in abroad o lè réyàn gbà ẹ́ sílẹ̀. O lè réyàn kó sọ pé wàá gbé báàgì wàá gbẹ́rù ẹ̀ ní kálukú máa gbé tiẹ̀ ni especially ní Canada but torí ẹ̀ mi ìdẹ́ fi ṣe gbéraga kò ṣe pé bí mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ flaunt àbí pé mo ní nǹkan kan but we have learned bí ọmọ kan tó máa sọ pé you will learn in the hard way Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ mo learn in more than hard way mi ìdẹ́ learn more. I want to be a teacher, a role model. ó ti yé ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́. Thank you so much. Somebody will be coming. They said they are sending somebody to come and help us. Little things they say, come by Hausa people. Little things now, come and call Hausa people. Èmi ọmọ Yorùbá, hey God. Èmi ọmọ tí jẹ́ pé orí mi, everything nípa mi is a Yorùbá. Ah. Tí bá sọ, oh God. Anyway, ṣá, no problem. Gbogbo yín tí mo ti dárúkọ yẹn tó bá dàbí embarrassment fún yín. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ pè mí ní ẹ má máa jẹ́ ká máa humble ara wa. Humbleness is the key. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ pè mí pé mo yá má bínú àjàmọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àmọ́ ipa ti ṣe é má bínú yẹn á go far. Ẹ lè má fún mi lẹ́nìtì kí lẹ fẹ́ fún mi tó máa recover whatever I've lost, but má bínú, we are sorry. Kò ṣe pé kẹ́ tún gbà pé ẹ tún lọ ṣe nǹkan kan fún mẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀ bákan ó máa cause wàhálà fún àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ni. Stop destroying people's life. Let people be. Let there peace. Let there be peace. Let us live in harmony, in love. All right? So, Megida na, in thank you. So, I won't cut our need. We need assistance. Even this bag, is one of a bar. I need the between them. But they get perfect hour, nibi bayi. To bad they perfect hour, my one people. Emio, I don't get money to pay this. So 500. Normally, when tobacco ni kini yen, o ma jẹ́ bí 700 lọ́sẹ̀. Me lọ́sẹ̀. Lọ́jọ́ méjì 350 and 380 per day. Me no get the power. Kejiko, I no get the power, but people can pay more than that. And this place also is not roomy. The room is not roomy. You can see our luggages on the floor. Ó yẹ kí yàrá kan wà kó jẹ́ pé, you know, another place tá máa store kini sí. Kò tiẹ̀ ní closet mo tiẹ̀ ṣe wá notice ni pé kò tiẹ̀ ní cupboard gan. Kò ní strong room. Kò ní microwave, you know. So tó bá jẹ́ pé bóyá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ 2 room. Tó bá jẹ́ pé bá fẹ́ Megida now we need, if there's 2 room tó wà tó yẹ pé we can also cook. Like I love to cook for myself. My daughter loves to cook too, to make things that will it's also for Eddie. You have to do things. At times you go once in a while to eat outside, but I love to cook for myself. Òun lè ṣe máa rí pé Auto-Bola ò kì í sọ pé òun ní headache lónìí, I'm sick tomorrow. Gbogbo ìgbà tí má kàn wà down bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bóyá the environment, the weather, and you know, but tí o bá ti jẹ oúnjẹ tó dáa, tó bá dẹ̀ watch what you eat, and then tó bá ń so oúnjẹ yẹn bó ṣe ń get nǹkan tó ń wẹnu ẹ̀, it's possible for you to be healthy and okay. So I watch my food since yesterday tí mo fi ń jẹ yẹn, mo kàn di kálámù ni mo ṣe ní kàn gbóúnjẹ wá fún mi restaurant. Bẹ́ẹ̀rù wọn ṣe bà mí tó, mo yẹ kí n má gba oúnjẹ jẹ ní restaurant gan, kí n má gba omi mu lọ́wọ́ anybody. She's here, but I believe mi ò pa èèyàn. Ọlọ́run ò ní gba ẹnikẹ́ni ní láyè láti gbẹ̀mí mi. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní gbẹ̀mí mi báyìí. Àti ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi náà Ọlọ́run ò ní gbẹ̀mí yín. So like 2 room, we can have a place for our, and have wardrobe for our kidney, just for some, you know, that's what we need. And I want a driver that is toward trustworthy, you know, or can drive around me. I can drive myself. You see, but anytime I want to drive, I can do video for just to make things, but you understand, because driving, going with people, at times I know that that person can be giving information to the right person or giving information to the wrong people. So that's another thing. And I want to have, if I have peace of mind and I have what I want even Nigeria to surprise people who believe that I'm going to see Shege when I get to Nigeria. Though some people in abroad, at the white, at the black, they believe I'm going to see Shege. They believe that no matter whatever, torture me to Canada, that I'm going to be tortured more than that in Nigeria. Surprise them. Let them show, because you know charity begins at home. Show them without you talking that you are not, you have changed. People can be bad before, and you can change. That you have changed. You understand? Don't show them what they want to see. I see a lot of people, they are happy yesterday, like what but in marrying or port one not in Basso. Could that, but some people also, yeah, kò sí nǹkan tá hide náà kò dẹ̀ tí ì sí nǹkan tó bad jù àwọn kan bad ń bẹ o but wonderful people are there a lot of things are changing in Nigeria I am telling you a lot of things are changing so ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ you see mú bọ́n ṣe heart ni olórí kan tiẹ̀ sọ ó ní American singer kan ní even if you don't love me only pretend and it's not even about pretend you understand me you don't pretend you just show to the world that I'm a changed person this country you are seeing now they are changed people there is no okay we are fighting before we don't know how to do things before we can do it now we know how to do things now we are wonderful people you understand that's what you should do at any time automatically oh we are not a tout before we believe we are tout but now we see things we love good life we want peace you can show ó ti yé káwọn máa sọ pé I still do this I still do this he did it o Shala did this he did it o Sala do this they do it ni o ele do it this they do it ni o ele do this they do it ni o puro pastor one pastor did this they do it ni o but love conquer all sin conquer hate and ó dẹ̀ bọ́ ní ìfẹ́ ó máa ń bo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ alright ìfẹ́ á máa bo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ I mean love conquer all evil conquer all sin ṣé ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá pẹ̀yàn wí tó bá yìí wà rùkì ó máa ń pa mi láì láti ṣe ni ẹ má máa bìlí pé gúrùpù lélẹ́yìí o we have group kò sí ti gúrùpù yẹn àwa bá ṣe wà bá ṣe wà yìí sí gúrùpù kankan tó tẹ̀lé rí tó pọ̀ báyìí ká máa lọ pẹ̀lú legion bó bá ṣe wà yìí àwọn tó ń bá wa ṣiṣẹ́ ọlọ́run ogun ọ̀run wọ́n lè dá gúrùpù rú so gúrùpù yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká maintain ìwà tó dá ló dá kó máa mọ̀ pẹ̀lú wa ní orílẹ̀-èdè káàkiri àgbáyé bí ṣe wà yìí ó dàbí èèyàn tí a jù sí mo sọ ni ó dàbí ikọ̀ tá a jù sódò ni tá fẹ́ fi mú ẹja tá fẹ́ fi wo nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn tó fight fún why do you don't want her to leave Canada mi ti gbọ́ rí they don't want me to leave and some people are there also torturing me if okay by the time you come to Nigeria you will not love to go back there why not by the time tó máa rí mi bóyá a month or 3 weeks or anytime tí bá lò Nigeria wọ́n rí mi gan new person mo wọlé bóyá mo ti sanwó ilé mi kó tó di pé mo lọ bóyá wọ́n dẹ̀ rí mi pé mo ń wọ́ fún ilé kò sí nǹkan kan àwọn kan máa tún ní second thoughts there's nothing I mean there's more thing we can do to each other than destroying ourselves I mean instead of destroying ourselves we can do things better instead of destroying yourself giving yourself bad image bad name rubbishing your name porúkọ ẹmẹ́rẹ̀ you know what that's not good okay. Torí báwo yóò ṣe rí báyìí pé èyàn ò sílẹ̀ gbẹ́ yẹn wọ́n máa rò pé bóyá ṣe ni wọ́n hate mi people ẹ ṣàjẹ́ ká change ṣá èsì mẹ́ ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ nísìnyí eléyìí mo tún fi eléyìí ṣe lọ ọlọ́run jọ má fi eléyìí ṣòpin o Elédùmarè fún gbogbo ẹlẹ́mìí gígùn àti àlàáfíà ọkàn tó ń ṣe dáadáa láyé tó sì ń ṣe nǹkan tó ráì tó lọ fún wa o orí wa má gbàbọ̀dé o ẹ̀dẹ́ wa má ṣe gba ibi o jọ́ o ire tó bá ń bọ̀ wọlé jẹ́jẹ́ wọlé kanlẹ̀ kò sì wá ṣe mí lóore ni o ire mi èmi ni máa fọwọ́ mi gbàre náà àtẹ̀yẹ olólùfẹ́ mi o lágbára Kristi orílẹ̀-èdè wa yóò tòrò we shall be the best people should be boast of me people should be proud of me you have one woman that a police of not ordinary police some detective powerful one they monitor me for long and they could not see anything like this. Many things báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe táwọn Africa náà tó ṣe tó máa ní kan fi tẹ́wọ́ tẹ́sí wọ̀wọ̀ àtàwọn white ọlọ́run ò jẹ́ ká fall victim because kì í ṣe pé a fi pretend even when we don't know that they are watching people should be proud that Auto-Bola you have a good heart I mean you are one in millions so ìyẹn bó ṣe jẹ́ thank you so much bye for now have a pleasant night rest love you guys. Eh, okay. Inbox me. All of you, inbox me if you have something to offer. Ṣebí ìwọ ni. Kó ṣì dànù. So inbox me. I mean, you can send me my international WhatsApp number. That's if WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me or you send me through my messenger, so we can have discussion. Whatever you want to offer, I can have a look. I check around. I'm not a beggar, but I have choice. Even beggar at times do choose choice, but I'm not a beggar, but I have choice. So we can discuss, okay? Thank you. Bye for now. Have a wonderful night.